How to buy games on Steam. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we'll guide you on how to buy games on Steam. So now let's get started. First of all, you have to open the Steam application on your mobile device, or you can just simply visit the Steam website, that is store.steampower.com. Make sure that you are logged in with your specific account. Now find the game or the item you want to purchase. For this example, I'll select a specific game. Now once you're on the game page, scroll down and decide which version you want to buy. In this case, I'll choose the starter edition and then click on add to cart option that is highlighted in green color. Click on view my cart and you will be taken to the cart page where you can choose whether to purchase it for yourself or as a gift. I'll select the option to purchase for myself and then continue to payment. You can choose a Visa card, MasterCard or PayPal, so I'll use PayPal for this. Click on continue. And if you choose a credit card, you will need to enter your card details, and if you're using PayPal, you have to log into your PayPal and you can scroll down to ensure all the information is correct and read the Steam agreement and other terms carefully. If everything looks good, click on purchase. And right after completing your purchase, you will see a confirmation message thanking you for the purchase. And to access your game, go to the top of the page and then click on the library. And on the left side, you will find your game. Click on it to install and start playing. So this was all about it. If you found this guide helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.